Hi and welcome to the Bats in Churches e-learning program for cleaning in churches. This course will give you an overview of cleaning techniques that will help you to look after your church and clean in a way that will negatively impact items of heritage significance. The most commonly found timber items within churches fall into two categories: fittings and furnitures such as pulpits, screens or pews, and architectural items such as floorboards, panelling or staircases. Before any cleaning is carried out, it's important to examine the surface of the item to identify any historic painting decoration or areas of damage. If any damage or painting decoration is found, report it to the person responsible for the building or a suitable qualified conservator. It's also important to be able to recognize an active insect infestation which looks like fresh wood dust. Ideal equipment for cleaning timber and woodwork includes nitrile gloves, dust mask, stiff and soft brush, absorbent cloth, heavy-duty paper towel, and a brush panel card. Always wear nitrile gloves and wash hands before completing any cleaning. It is recommended that masks are worn during cleaning, as fungal spores from bad droppings can irritate the lungs. Be aware that some people might be allergic to insect casings in the droppings. It's important to immediately remove droppings and urine deposits when found, as this will reduce any possible deterioration to the surface of wood and timber items, especially when urine and droppings are found together. For droppings, brush dirt or pick into a card or brush pan. For urine, if discovered early, the priority is to absorb as much of the liquid as possible using an absorbent cloth or heavy-duty paper towel. If urine deposits have dried, remove the residue salts by brushing with a soft bristle brush. Report any staining or material damage to a qualified expert or whoever is in charge of the overall maintenance of the church. Dust with a lint-free cloth or a soft brush. In certain situations, it may be the case that a combination of brush, vacuum and cloth will be needed to clean the complex or intricate shapes. Unless otherwise instructed, please only use dry or very lightly damp cloths. Try to avoid wet mopping, but if it's essential, use an almost dry mop, rinse in clear water. Dry off with a dry mop. Further information, general cleaning guidelines, and additional resources can be found in our companion booklet, Cleaning Guidelines for Churches with Bats.